For beginners, Wix offers a user-friendly interface with drag-and-drop editing and built-in hosting. It's a good option for creating simple websites without any coding knowledge. WordPress.com is a hosted version of WordPress.org, making it easy to set up and manage. However, it has limitations on customization compared to the self-hosted version. For more flexibility, WordPress.org is the most popular CMS overall. It's open source, free to use, and highly customizable with thousands of themes and plugins available. However, it requires you to find your own hosting and manage updates yourself. Joomla is another open source CMS similar to WordPress, offering a good balance of ease of use and flexibility. For e-commerce, Shopify is a leading e-commerce platform with a user-friendly interface and a wide range of features for managing online stores. WooCommerce is a popular e-commerce plugin for WordPress.org, turning your website into a fully functional online store. For enterprise needs, Drupal is a powerful open-source CMS known for its scalability and security, making it a good choice for complex websites with a lot of content and functionality. HubSpot CMS Hub is a commercial CMS platform designed for marketing and sales teams, offering features like content staging, workflow management, and built-in analytics. When choosing a CMS, consider factors such as budget, technical expertise, and scalability. Some CMS platforms are free to use, while others have monthly fees or require paid plugins for advanced features. Consider your level of comfort with technology. Wix and WordPress.com are easier for beginners, while Drupal and self-hosted WordPress.org require more technical know-how. If you expect your website to grow significantly over time, choose a CMS that can scale with your needs.